Dear students, good morning. In this video, we try to find the value of sine 18 degrees, which will help us to do further sums. In our lower classes of trigonometry, what you have studied earlier, you know the values of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now, we have to find sine 18 degrees. Let A equal to 18 degrees. I have taken 18 named as A equal to 18 degrees. With which number, if you multiply, you will get 90 degrees. If I multiply 5 on both sides, I shall get 90 degrees. So, 5A equal to 5 into 18, 90 degrees. Split this 5A as 2A plus 3A equal to 90 degrees. I am splitting 5A as 2A plus 3A equal to 90 degrees. Here, some of you may get doubt that why can't we split it as A plus 4A? A plus 4A. Why can't we split like this? We will try to answer this at the end of this problem. Here I have splitted 2A plus 3A. Some of you may arise a doubt that why can't we split it as A plus 4A? We try to answer this at the end of the video. Shift this plus 3A that side, it become minus 3A. What the value of ratio you have to find? Sine. So before this I want to see sine. Apply sine on both sides. You should not use the word multiply, because sine 18 doesn't mean that sine into 18. Sine 18 degrees doesn't mean that sine into 18. So, you should not write multiply. You have to write apply sine on both sides. As and when for trigonometric ratios, you have to write the word multiplying. You have to write the word applying instead of multiplying. So, apply sine on both sides. So, sine 2A equal to sine 90 minus 3A. Sine 90 minus theta. 90 minus comes in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. So, plus, remove 0, 9. 9 is odd. So, sine become cos. Cos, what is the theta here? 3A. Sine 2A equal to cos 3A. Sine 2A formula. 2 sin A cos A. Cos 3A formula. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. These two are formulae of sin 2A, cos 3A. In these two terms, take cos A common. So, cos A equal to 4 into cos square A minus 3. Here, cos A is in multiplication. By shifting, it comes to the denominator. So cos A, both sides cancel. The remaining is 2 sin A equal to 4 cos square A minus 3. 2 sin A equal to 4 into cos square A is written as 1 minus sin square A. How? In trigonometric identities, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So cos square A is 1 minus sin square A minus 3. Multiply 4 inside. 2 sin A equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 4 sin square A minus 3. Shift this term to the other side. Minus 4 sin square A become plus 4 sin square A. This term remains the same side. So plus 2 sin A. 4 minus 3, 1. Shift that 1 to the other side, it becomes minus 1 equal to 0. If you observe, this is a quadratic equation in terms of sign. As we all know, in our 10th standard, you might have learned a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is quadratic in x. And we know how to solve this quadratic. Since the quadratic is in terms of x, you have to write formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. But whereas in the problem, x is replaced with sin A. X, in the place of x, you are having sin A. So, if you solve this quadratic, you will get x value. If I solve this quadratic, I will get sin A value. If the equation is in terms of x, by solving, you will get x value. Here, the equation is in terms of sin A. So, by solving, I shall get sin A value. So, sin A equal to formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Compare. What is A? A is 4. B is 2. C is minus 1. Now, replace these values in the formula. Sin A equal to B is 2. So, minus 2 plus or minus root over b square 4 minus 4ac. Substitute the values. 2 into A. A value is 4. 2 4s are 8. Minus into minus plus 4 into 4. 16 into 1. 16. 4 plus 16. I shall write that in the next step. Sin A equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 4 plus 16. 4 plus 16 is 20. 20. I shall split this 20 as 4 into 5. You are having under root. 20 is in the root. So, 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Some may write it as 10 into 2. Here, you have to write 4 into 5 because you have to write in such a way that one of them should have root value. If you write like this, 10 doesn't have root and 2 also doesn't have root. You have to split in such a way that one should have root. So 4 has root, that is 2 root 5 minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. Once again, if you want to split, you have to split it as 4 into 5. You have to split in such a manner that one should have root value. 4 has root. How much? 2. Root 5 remains as it is. If you split like this, both doesn't have the root values. Right. We come into the problem. Take 2 common. Taking 2 common. Minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 8. 2 table cancel 4 times. With plus you have to split. With minus you have to split. So minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 or minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Of these two, only one value is correct. So minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 or minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. In these two, take minus common. Minus of root 5 plus 1 by 4. Here, one term is negative, the other is positive. So, express the positive term in the beginning, later the negative term. So, root 5 minus 1 by 4. If we observe these two, this is a positive value. This is a positive value because the approximate root 5 value is 2.23 or something. Approximate 2.23 minus 1 is a positive. Positive by positive gives a positive value. So this is a positive. But whereas here, this is a positive before there is minus. So this is a negative value. Negative value. So for sin A, one value is a positive, the other value is a negative. Of which, as I said, only one value is a correct value. How to identify? Since in the beginning I have taken A equal to 18 degrees. 18 degrees falls in which quadrant? First quadrant. So belongs to Q1, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. All the ratios are positive. So, what is A? A is 18 degrees. 18 degrees comes in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. So, sin 18 is positive. Of the both, which is positive, this is positive. So, this value is correct. This value is wrong. So, sin 18 degrees equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. In many of the problems we do further, you have to make use of this value. So, you are advised to learn the values of sin 18 and the observations which are to be discussed now. Cos 72. How to find cos 72? Cos 72 equal to cos 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18 is 72. This is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta comes in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. So plus, remove 0. 9 is odd. Cos becomes sin. Sin, what is theta? 18 degrees. So, cos 72 value is equal to sin 18 degrees. In the above, we have already we found the value of sin 18 degrees, that is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So, cos 72 degrees equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin 18 degrees value is same as cos 72 degrees value. Right. In the beginning of this problem, I said that instead of writing 2 plus 2a plus 3a, why can't we split it as 4a plus a or a plus 4a? See, if you write a plus 4a, then become a equal to 90 minus 4a. Apply sin on both sides. Sin a equal to sin 90 minus 4a. 90 minus 4a. 90 minus first quadrant sign is positive. 9 is odd. Remove 0. 9 is odd. Sign become cos. So cos 4a. In the list of the formulae what I have given, in that list you have only cos 3a formula. You don't have cos 4a formula. You don't have cos 4a formula in the given list of the formulae. So it is not possible to write like this. So I have written 2a plus 3a because I know the formula of cos 3a, that is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. If you split, then you have to know the formula of cos 4a, which I didn't mention in the list of the formulae. This is the reason why I have written it as 2a plus 3a. Problem is over.